Hi, today I will be showing to you how to clone a GitHub repository. So let's first start by making a repository. I already made mine. It will be Google Code Gem repository. This is repository that I'll be using in another project. It's completely empty for now, but I want to clone it in my local directory also. So this is the GitHub page, and then I'll be starting a GitKraken. We have, okay, you can see GitKraken starting. They have a new animation that's really friendly. You can see that starts the last time where I left it from. There are different tabs and repositories, but I want to clone a new one. So let me start from the beginning. If you want to clone a repository, you just click here on the folder icon and then select the clone menu, and then you can select how to clone a repository by URL, GitHub repository, enterprise, GitLab, and so on. The way you will be cloning a repository depends completely on you. It depends what repository you have and what's the host you have. So mine is on GitHub. I will go again at the GitHub page, and by clicking the code button you can see that we are provided by a URL that allows us to clone our repository. I will be copying the URL and coming back to the GitKraken page. Okay, I will be cloning my repository by URL. This is my default workspace folder. I've named it workspace, and then I'll be just starting my GitHub URL. So you can see that GitKraken makes a new directory that our repository will be stored in. You don't have to make any new directory, and the process is completely automated. You just need to paste the URL. If you want to change the directory name, you can of course write something else here in this field, but I'll be having the original folder name. So I'm clicking clone this repo, and you can see the process started, and here you can see the message that my repository is successfully cloned, and then I'm clicking open now button. Okay, now you can see that my repository cloning was done in maybe under 1 minute, and that's it. Simple, fast, and easy. This was all from me. If you're curious about some new function in GitKraken, or you want to see more tutorials on it, please leave comments, like, and subscribe.